Hello students, I think all of you will be fine and preparing for your exams which are conducted in the month of July. This is my first video and in this video I will try to explain the interpolation chapter and first of all I will explain the meaning of interpolation. Actually there are two terms, one is interpolation and second is extrapolation. Now there is some difference between these two terms. Interpolation means just to estimate the value within the given data, that is called interpolation. So when we find some value within the given information, that is called the interpolation techniques. And extrapolation techniques is when we find the value beyond the given data, that is called extrapolation. So there are some techniques which can be used for interpolation, and there are also some techniques which can be used for extrapolation. For example, suppose we are given marks and number of students. If this information is given and we want to find the number of students who got marks 25 marks, 25 comes here, it is called interpolation. So it means the data is given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and within the given data we want to find the some value, that is called interpolation technique. Similarly, in case if we just want to find a number of students who got 37 marks, it is also called interpolation. But if we want to find the number of students who got 60 marks, it becomes extrapolation. So uh, there's small difference between interpolation and extrapolation. In both the case we want to just find the value or estimate the value, but within the given data, that is called interpolation, and beyond the data is called extrapolation. There are three techniques for interpolation. One is Newton method, second is binomial method, third is Lagrange method. So these are three methods which can be used for interpolate some value. There is no method for extrapolation, but we can use these methods in such a way that they become the extrapolation methods. So in our course the interpolation methods are there. Extrapolation method is not in our course, and no question of extrapolation method will come. So interpolation methods will come in your exam. Uh, Now the question is where we apply these methods. Newton method is used when, binomial method is used when, and Lagrange method is used when. I take three examples to explain the use of these methods. One is, suppose this is the question, this is the second question, this is the third one. So we are given marks 10, 20, 30, 40 and number of students, and in this question 10, 20, 40 number of students, and the third one is 10. Whenever any question of interpolation method will be asked, first of all mark the x column and y column. The first column will be the x column and second is the y column. Then after marking x and y column, see the difference in the x column. Now see in the first question the difference the x column is 10 10 10. So difference is same. Here also the difference in the second question the difference is 10 10 10. The difference is same. When the difference in x column is same, we can either use Newton method or binomial method. Now in the third question, see the difference in the x column. The difference in the x column is unequal, 10, 10 and 20. When the difference in the x column is unequal, we will use Lagrange method. So there is no doubt about the use of Lagrange method. When the difference is not same in the x column, we will use the Lagrange method. Now come to the Newton method or binomial method. Newton method can be used. See the values of x, number of values in the x column 1 2 3 4, number of values in the y column also 1 2 3 4. When the number of values in the x and y column are same, we will use the Newton method. Now in this question, see the number of values in the x column is 1 2 3 4, but the number of values in the y column is 1 2 and 3. So when the number of values in the x column is not as in the y number of values in the y column, we will use the binomial method. So whenever question of interpolation chapter is asked, first of all see the difference in the x column. When the difference in the x column is not same, apply the Lagrange method. When the difference is same, then you have to select between the Newton method or binomial method. Now see again, when the number of values in the x and y column are same like this, 4 values of x column and 4 values of y column, we will apply the Newton method. And when the values in the number of values in the x column is not same, now 4 values in the x column and 3 values in the y column, we will apply the binomial method. So first of all we have to decide about the method. Sometimes the method is mentioned and sometimes the method is not mentioned. You have to select the method on these basis.